if you have pity in your heart too. So you donate only 1 rupee for corona patient. You pay 1 rupee on the number given below. Your donation can save someone's life. Be kind. What do you need to know tomorrow? With this YouTube channel, you support us in this campaign to help corona patient.
Aeroplane is the easiest to make, even children can easily make it. We have a different fun of making aeroplane. Everyone makes it easily. But you do not know how to make paper aeroplane. So this video is for you. How to make different types of paper aeroplane. Watch this video and learn. If you want to see more ideas of making paper aeroplane, so subscribe to our channel and press bell and send notifications all.